Good morning, good afternoon, good night. As always, hope you guys had a good day, good afternoon. Hope you're gonna sleep good tonight. We're on the way to Sebastian's to install the carbon fiber steering wheel. I got it in the mail yesterday. I just left work. It's currently 4:53 and it's 84 degrees outside. So nicest day it's been in Texas in the past 10 years. So I figured let's install it tonight. Hopefully it doesn't rain and hopefully it doesn't take us too long to figure out how to do this. But before I get there, I want to let you guys know I'm hosting a giveaway. It's going to be a $50 giveaway. How you enter is just hit the subscribe button, like button, and comment down below guessing the average mile per gallon I'm going to get on the way to Houston. So the end of the giveaway is going to be October 1st. I'll announce the winner, and I'll announce the winner in my next video, which is going to be around October 1st, October 2nd, of the giveaway winner. How you win closest mile per gallon to what I get on the way down there wins. So you guys start guessing down below. If we get 50 guesses from 50 different people, I might up it, but I'll keep you guys posted on my Instagram on where we're at with that. So I'll see y'all once we get to Sebastian's. Peace. Y'all, when y'all are installing the steering wheel, first thing you want to do, disconnect the battery, which we've already done, so that airbag doesn't go off in your face, because that would not be good. So there's nothing in it. Try to press the horn just to make sure there's no electricity going through it, no lights on the inside. The first thing you're going to want to do is this little clip right here. Let me try to get up in here. This right here, pop that off. And then once you pop this off, once I pop it off, I'll show you guys what's behind it. Alright y'all, so we just got it out. Now I can show you guys a little bit better on what I was pushing on. So this little bar right here is what you're going to want to push on. I can barely do it with my hand, that's why you need like a flat head. But when you push this down, you can pull one side out from the top. Just pull it out from the top up here on one side, and then it's the exact same thing on the other side. Now as far as starting to unhook these, this green one went into here. You just pull this one straight up. Now on this one there's a little, try to get it to focus here, there's a little like lip thing. You can kind of see it right where my finger's pointing. You just push down on this and pull it up, and this one connects to right here. Now these, you have to be super careful with these, because if they break then you have to replace them. But these black things you kind of just pop up from the back side. I think I'm going to get a toothpick or something like that to pop these up, and then I'll get back with you guys once I do that. Alright y'all, so I just used this pin right here to go ahead and pop it up from the back side like that, and then they just come right out like that. So this cord back here, we just got to feed everything through here so we can take the airbag off. You can see right there, just feed it underneath one by one, and then you can take the airbag off. Alright, so Sebastian's plugging in the battery right now. I got it installed. I gave up on doing like an install video because it was hard to record and do this at the same time. But the guy's video that I watched to actually install it, I'll shout him out really quick. Speed Corey 6. So you guys watch his video. He did a really good job showing how to install this. It looks really good.
Bro, we'll be in the car.
So
look at me and this is like,
we're gonna start it up here in a second. I'm gonna go through all the settings on it. So, all right, y'all. Let me zoom out. Update on the car. It's broken. I got a bad sensor. A high voltage sensor. It's not reading the fuel, and then it says that there's something in front of me at all times. So I don't know if this has to do with the steering wheel, but I highly recommend you guys just get your steering wheel installed by somebody, because this is not worth it. I have no gas pedal and I can't drive it, so I'm gonna get a tow truck driver to come get it tomorrow, take it to some shop to get it fixed. I don't know don't know who I'm gonna take it to yet. But this is kind of an unfortunate turn. I was super excited to get the steering wheel installed. I can't get the LED lights to work, and then I also can't even get my car to work anymore. So I'll update you guys as I go. This was probably a short video, but yeah, the Q's broken. I hope I can get it fixed before I go to Houston, because I already got everything. I already paid it for everything that I'm doing down there. So this kind of sucks, but we'll see if I can get a tow truck driver here tomorrow and see if I can make a couple phone calls and see if I can get somebody fixed. It's like code P. Here, I'll pull it up right now on my phone. I took a screenshot of it. So if you guys know what this is and you guys are able to help out and just tell me what's going on, that'd be appreciated. The code is, so I have two codes. I have HVAC ABS code, which is C1130, and then I have a engine code. It says sensor reference voltage A circuit high, P0643. So if you guys know what either of those are and you guys can help me out, that'd be appreciated. Sebastian's about to drive me home. I'm gonna have to drive my wife's car to work tomorrow, or she's gonna drop me off, but for now the Q is down. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Alright y'all, it is now Sunday morning. I'm just gonna update you guys really quick on what's going on with the car. So after that day, the next morning, I got the car towed over to my mechanic. I'm getting code P0643. As you guys saw, I showed you guys that. And he's saying that a couple sensors aren't getting enough voltage, and with that, it's putting the car into limp mode, so I have no throttle. It idles really rough, so it almost sounds like it's cammed. I wish I recorded more footage for you guys, but I was just kind of upset that day. You know, we went from installing a carbon fiber steering wheel to my car not working. So he thinks it's a problem with the actual computer itself in the car, and that's not something he could fix. So I had to get it towed over to Infinity. Infinity has it now. I got it taken care of over there on Saturday. So I should have an answer on what they think it is on Monday, which you guys are seeing this today on Sunday, so you guys are seeing this before Monday. But the only two questions I had for them is, do I have warranty still, and are you going to be done by the 29th? Because 29th, as you guys already know, when we go to Houston. And they said, no, I don't have a warranty, and I shouldn't have even had a warranty when I got the new motor and the new turbos put in. So I was like, okay, well, at least I had a warranty for that, right? I'll pay $1,200, $1,500, whatever it is for the ECU. I didn't have to pay for the $30,000 for the motor and turbos. And then they said, yeah, it shouldn't be a problem having it done through the 29th. So that's still going to be the next video I think that I'm going to post, unless I go to any meets before that. But I don't think I'm gonna, since I'm not really going to have my car. So like I said in the beginning of the video, which was a couple days ago, comment down below the miles per gallon you think I'm going to get on the way to Houston. Whoever's the closest will win. So see y'all on our way down to Houston. Peace.